You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 1 over 7. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -6. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 1 over 7.